Hey guys, John with Grey Duck Dent Repair, Minnesota here. Just about to start work on this 2012 Nissan Juke. Nasty fender smash. Owner of this vehicle actually ran it into a traffic barrel going at a pretty high clip there. But luckily, the damage was such that we can repair it with Paintless Dent repair. I will pan around, get some better shots of the damage here, and we'll show you how it's done, and we'll show you the results when we're finished. Thanks so much for watching. John with Grey Duck Dent Repair, Minnesota here. Just finished up work on this Nissan Juke fender smash. Turned out very nicely. Customer's going to be super happy. Able to save it from the body shop. Keep that factory finish. No paint, no putty, no Carfax. So if you do have dents or dings, give Grey Duck Dent a call. 651-492-DENT.